Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the 5 loan platform which you can use to borrow loan in Ghana today. And trust me, people have been asking this kind of question, like how can they actually get a loan in Ghana? There are some kind of loan app which of course they know they exist, but then they need more loan platform which of course they can use to borrow a loan in Ghana. And some people also feel like some loan platform which of course they know are not giving out loan to them due to one or two reasons which of course is best known to them. But in this video I'm gonna walk you through the different loan platform which of course you can use to get a loan in Ghana today. And trust me, I'm also doing my research in order to find loan in different Africa countries, most especially to find the best loan platform which of course you can use to get a loan for your financial need, or to kickstart your small business, or to pay some bills, which of course everyone have different kind of reasons why they borrow a loan or why they need a loan to kickstart or finance their future business. So the first loan platform which I'm going to show you, or which I'm already showing you in this video, is Branch. Branch is a very lucrative loan platform which serve different African countries, even including India. They offer loan to people who are very much interested in getting a loan for their business need or for their personal use. And Branch offer a loan of up to $2,000 regardless of where you actually come from. As long as it's between the country that is listed on this platform, you can definitely get a loan from Branch finance platform. And Branch is literally trending on Google Play Store and Apple App Store. If you are very much interested in getting a loan for your financial need, you will definitely be able to use Branch to get a loan. You can go down to Google Play Store and search for Branch, then you'll be able to have access to this loan platform. And don't forget, this loan platform doesn't only support a single country, but of course they support many other countries, which of course they are trying all their possible best to serve everyone for their financial need. And trust me, they also have more features, not just to get a loan. You can also do money transfer within the Branch app. You can do bill payment and also invest within the app and yield some revenues for you in the long-term investment. So you can check down to Branch loan platform on Google Play Store or Apple App Store and proceed on to get a loan from this platform. And also don't forget, you can also use or request for a Branch loan Branch ATM card, which of course you can use to check out online store and also withdraw within the physical ATM machine if you are very much interested. And this ATM costs 0 naira or 0 cent, so you don't have to pay before you can get this Branch ATM card in order to use it to purchase or buy anything online. So another loan platform which of course is available in Ghana is Ela Credit. Ela Credit is another loan platform which of course offer a loan to different users, and this loan app available on Google Play Store and Apple App Store, which of course you can check them out and see if they will be able to borrow you a loan today. Ela Credit has done over $10 million loan platform to disburse a loan to people who are actually requesting for a loan from the platform, and they have served over 2 million users in a loan, more than 135,000 micro business users who have already used in this platform to borrow a loan for their business need. So you can also check them out and see if they will be interested in giving you a loan in Ghana today. So you can also scroll down to see I'm actually on their official website, which of course I know that if I'm trying to review based on their app, it will take more time and also see how people are trusting this app. But then I feel like they are well organized enough to have their own official website, which of course is the best way to make sure your business stands out in the world today. So you also see more than lending, which of course you can also benefit more features from Ela Credit. You can see financial control in your pocket, quality lifestyle, no waiting lines, wealth management, buy now and you can pay later, event management, of course. So these are the things that makes people believe in this app, which of course you should also do, so you can get started and start borrowing a loan from this particular loan app. So check them out today and let me know which among of this loan platform work best for you. Another loan platform in Ghana is Fido. Fido is another loan platform which is literally available for Android users only. And for the fact that you can also use this loan platform to also invest your money and earn a huge return within the app. So you can also build a new culture for digital money in Africa, which of course this app is also looking out to serve more countries, not just Ghana only. So you can also check out to see why you should choose them. They are very easy, quick, and accessible. As long as you have internet access, you will definitely be able to have access to the website. They also offer quick instant loan for everyone, and it's very easy. You can just apply within your phone, no paperwork and no queue, which of course they will definitely attend to you as fast as possible. So you can also see you can get a loan of up to 3,000 Ghana cedis, and then to capture your opportunities and start a business for yourself, or in order to pay back some bills, which of course you literally be interested in. So whether it's growing your business or covering expenses, you have got your back with easy access to instant loan, no paperwork, no collateral, no queue, and no wahala. So it's very simple as that in order to get a loan from Fido loan platform. So you can check them out today. Check on the review, which is also very important when you are trying to get a loan on any of these loan platforms, which of course I'm referring to it in this video. So check them out and let me know which of them literally work best for you. You can also check on the review to see what people are actually saying about all these loan platforms to know if they offer or they be able to serve you best. So the fourth loan platform is Fair Money. Fair Money is another loan platform which of course you can use to get a loan in Ghana today. And with Fair Money, you can get a loan of up to 1 million based on which country you actually coming from, and then they serve different kind of Africa countries such as Ghana, Nigeria, Kenya, and some other country, which of course you can check out today, and then they'll be able to give you a loan. And the most honest part about this Fair Money is the fact that they only have their app on Google Play Store. They are not available on Apple App Store yet, but then I believe as time goes on, they are going to make their mobile app available for Apple users too. So, and they said they are serving over 10,000 loan per day. So, and then each and everyone that apply for a loan will be able to get a loan within 5 minutes. So our Fair Money clients get a loan every 8 seconds, which means people are literally requesting for a loan from this platform. And you can also get the news about Fair Money from Tech Kaba, TechCrunch, Descript African, then Punch. So you can check them out and see that these loan platforms are very legit. I'm not going to give you a loan app that is not legit. As long as you listen to my own point of views, you'll be able to see that all the loan platforms, which of course I'm reviewing on this channel, are very legit, and they are very ready to provide you a loan as long as you have all the requirements which they ask you. So you can check out Fair Money loan platform today and let me know if they are very much interested in working with you or borrowing a loan to kickstart your business or to solve out some issue which of course you might be facing. So the last but not the least is Carbon. Carbon is another fast rising loan app in Nigeria and in Ghana and some other countries, which of course they are very much interested in serving everyone who are interested in getting a loan for their business need or personal use. And the funnest part about this company is the fact that you can also switch from personal to business if you are very much interested in getting a business. So it's very easy to navigate from one personal account to business account. So once you have registered on their mobile app, you can also sign in through their official website, which makes it very much easier for everyone to access loan. So you can see they are available on Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. So it's very easy to get a loan from Carbon as long as you have internet access and have all it takes when they ask you to provide information. And you can also get an ATM card, which of course you can use to check out online and any physical ATM machine. So there is more to Carbon, which of course is not limited to getting a loan within the app. But of course, you can also pay out some bills, buy airtime, and send out money with ease. You don't have to stress it. You don't have to queue. You don't have to pay some certain fee before you can send money to anyone within the app. So it's very easy, and they are very licensed by the central bank of some African countries. So you can check them out today and let me know if any of them is working best for you. So you can also see the features and see how you can actually get started with all these loan platforms, which of course you can use to get a loan in Ghana country today. So let me know which of them actually work best for you, and I'm very sure they are very easy for everyone to apply for a loan. And you can also check out the description below of this video to find out the direct URL or the direct link to this website, which of course you can check out today. And the funnest part is the fact that you can also use their USSD code to apply for a loan, which of course is also easy for everyone as long as you have access to the internet. So let me know which of them work best for you, and I'll be able to reply to your request if you are facing one.